In this video, I will guide you how to sum in Excel with multiple columns. So if your columns are right next to each other, then type the formula in a new cell. So put the equal sign, type sum and open the bracket and select the range and close the bracket, hit enter. Drag the fill handle, the small square in the bottom right corner down to apply it to the other rows. So if you want to sum specific columns that are separated by other data, for example, you want to sum the data of the column B and D, then you need to put the formula. In your target cells, put the equal sign, type sum, open the bracket, hold the control key and select the column B and the column D, close the bracket, hit enter. So drag the fill handle to see the other results. If you don't want to use the formula, you can use the AutoSum shortcut. So place the cursor in the empty cells and press the Alt key and the equal sign key on the numeric set keypad, and you can see that the range has been selected. You just need to hit enter and here it is. So this way you can easily use sum in Excel with multiple columns. If you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.